So we've been talking about text data and things that we can do with text data, and there's just one more thing I want to talk about in Tableau for visualizing text data. Sometimes a word cloud can be helpful, and so there are things online that you can use to make a word cloud, but Tableau can also make word clouds, and so I just want to do a small example so that you see quickly how to do this in Tableau. So this is using the one-word reviews Excel file that's on Canvas. So in Tableau, you go and connect to this Excel file, and this is what it should look like. So here, a very simple data set. We just have reviews that are made up of one word. So great, terrible, hate, awesome, meh, okay, great. Great's in here a few times. And so we might want to just make a word cloud to see what words are showing up frequently. So I'm going to go to sheet 1, and the way that we do this is we take reviews, which is text, and drag it to text, and that will put these words that show up ever on the screen, but I want to size them based on how many times they show up. So now I'm going to change marks. Right now it's automatic. I'm going to just make sure it stays as text, and then I'm going to take reviews, and I want to size the words by how many times they show up. So I'm going to take reviews and take it to size. So it's kind of sized these a little bit differently, but I'm going to go in here and change measure to count. There we go. Now these words are taking up the whole screen and they're sized based on how many times they show up. So great shows up 3 times. Terrible is once, awesome is 2, and so this gives you an idea of how this would look, and I probably also want them to be different colors, and so I could take reviews and drag it to color, and that would also make them different colors. I might need to make this a little bit wider to make it look better, but great word cloud. And so this is another thing you can do to just visualize text data. Here, this was nice since each of our things only was made up of one word, but Tableau can be helpful for quickly creating word clouds like this.